Hi there, it's Andy with Growing Good Hair, and I'm back with another video. I have something really exciting to show you and to share with you. And first of all, this is really this is really bugging me. My glasses is causing this piece of hair to stick out, but just ignore that. Anyway, let me show you what my hair looks like, and then I'm going to show you an alternative to wearing a wig or a sew-in if you want to just wear your hair in a protective style and then cover it with something pretty. Okay, so let me show you what my hair looks like first. All right, I'll give you like the 360. I just put like a few braids. I just put a few braids back here just to keep it I guess you could say just yeah, braided and put away, not getting frizzy, and you know, I don't want to touch it too much, but I just love wearing my hair like this in the braids or the twists. The twist, it's a little bit shorter but more fuller looking and very bouncy. And with the braid, I was gonna say with the braids, it is more not as thick looking, but my hair type is that I have very fine individual strands. If I was to take one out and show you, it is extremely fine, but I have like a medium density, and my goal is every follicle that I have, my goal is to make sure that it has hair sprouting out of it. That's all I can do. That's all that you can do. You cannot grow more follicles for your density. If you are blessed with a lot of follicles per square inch, then you will have extremely dense hair. But you know, that's what we inherit, and so we work with what we have. And so that's what I would encourage you to do, is to work with the density, your natural density that you have. Now, there's other things that determine whether or not your hair grows out of the follicle on your scalp, and that could be, as mentioned, low vitamin D. You can check that with blood work, and I would highly recommend that if you are experiencing any sort of hair loss. You know, and there's other issues. Stress raises the cortisol levels in your blood, and that's also linked to alopecia. So if you can check, you know, visit the doctor if you're experiencing hair loss, and you can find out if there's a physical reason, for that hair loss. So that being said, let me show you what I worked on. I'm so excited. Okay, now this beautiful beanie is crocheted in the round, and look at that gorgeous texture. Look at that. Oh, this gorgeous texture. I was so in love with this. I found this tutorial on YouTube, and I can link the video for you to be able to make one for yourself. Now, I was going to just make like a regular double crochet beanie, if you know what double crochet means. If not, you can also check that out on YouTube, and you'll learn exactly how to make it. But I found that the double crochet beanie just was not warm enough, and it's really cold right now, and I really wanted to have something with some texture and some interest and some thickness to it. And I have a slight cold, as you can probably tell with my voice, but I really wanted something that had like a little thickness to it, and this is perfect. This is perfect. Oh, I guess my daughter can get the door, or I don't think, yeah, my daughter can get the door. Yeah, sorry about that. So I wanted something, I'm recording, okay? I wanted something a little thicker than just the double crochet stitch. So that's why I got this gorgeous, just look at that. It's just so beautiful, and you can't really see the design of this beautiful stitch with just using one color. Like if you had a colorway that had multiple coordinating or coordinated colors, you'd be able to see it better. So I might go ahead and make another one with a yarn like that. But this, I had to make it. Now, if you know how to crochet, like I do, that's a good thing. Then you could make a hat like this and you can wear it in place of, or instead of a wig, you could wear your hair. I got the idea to just, you know, I wear my hair out like this, but not everyone is comfortable doing that. So you can go ahead and make something like this. There's a whole bunch of wonderful tutorials for wearables if you know how to crochet. Or you can, if you know someone that knows how to crochet, you can get them to make this beautiful cap for you. Just keep in mind that to make something like this, you know, it does take some time and skill, and you know, that's why when you buy something that's handmade, I notice a lot of women that crochet, they will sell the patterns, because when you crochet, it takes a lot of your time and skill too. So just be mindful of that. If you are commissioning someone, or you know, if you have someone to crochet or knit something as beautiful as, you know, as a wearable, you know, cap in this case for you. Okay. Yeah. So you can, if you can double crochet, I think this was I'm trying to think, it was a half double crochet, right? These are not double crochets, half double crochet. You can research that, and you can learn how to do it. And I learned how to crochet in 2017. I was always in love with fiber arts and handmade hats, scarves, sweaters, booties, that sort of thing. So, you know, I'd always tried it and then put it down because I couldn't quite get it. Try it and put it down. And then one day it clicked. And what helped me a lot to just learn and just run with it was YouTube. And now I can even read patterns. But this one was a follow along tutorial. So I'm going to link it if you want to make one for yourself. Okay. So now let me show you what it looks like. Okay. How cute is that? How cute is that? So I was really on the fence about crocheting a rose or some sort of a flower. I think like a daisy with yellow and white. It'd be so gorgeous and complementary to this color. This beautiful, it's like a turquoise, like a greenish turquoise. I was just in love with it. So I had the yarn for a while, but I said, finally, I'm going to make something with it. I just love it too much. Yeah, but because it's so detailed, I decided, so far anyway, so far, to not have a, to not put anything else on it. I might change my mind later or something like that. But this is what it looks like. I'll show you the 360. Don't mind my my braids there. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. Very, very exciting. Let me know. Is this something that you would do? This one is really warm to wear indoors. This one is for outdoors. But I'm going to go ahead and do one that's not as thick as this for wearing indoors. So I will be back with another hat design. Again, this is if you are wearing a protective style and would like to have your head covered, but not with a wig or sewing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and a like. Okay, bye.